Try, see beauty, see now. You can hear the sizzling, like this thing is fire. Man, don't try me, oh. Abba, I did try, forget it. Good morning, beautiful people. How you all doing today? This is Temilayo and Mom channel. Yeah. So this is another beautiful day to showcase ourselves, to showcase what we do. Okay. It's morning. My daughter left for school an hour 30 minutes ago because it's like after 8 now. So today I'm kind of busy, not very busy yet, but I hope to be busy because the more busy I get, the more money I make. And you know already I like money. Oh, so yeah, while working smart, I love money. Yeah, so today I'm not it's very busy, but I am still busy. A client of mine contacted me, she wants something, so I'm going to the market to get what she wants, like to get the ingredients for what she wants. So what I'm making today is ayamashe sauce and ofada rice. So I don't have most of the ingredients for the sauce, so I'm just going to get there. I have a very short list here, like the list of the few things I don't have. I'm going to start from the butcher. I'm going to get assorted meat. That's what I love in my ayamashe sauce. So I'm getting eggs, I'm getting locust beans, I'm getting the pepper mix and all that. So yeah, I'm at my door already. I was about leaving when I remembered I haven't said hi. So we are going out together today. Yeah, let me lock my door. So I'm not driving. I'm just going to walk down or maybe take a bike because it's not really far and I don't want the stress of driving. Yeah, so let's go. So I hailed a bike and it's coming. I'm actually going to take a bike. It's too lonely, like I can't even walk to save my life right now. So let me hop on. Yeah. Guys, I went to the butcher and the assorted meat is not out yet. I'm just going to get other stuff and return back here. So, guys, today is Thursday, and I totally forgot. Like, today is environmental over here, and we are supposed to like go to the market or any shop by 10 a.m., which is the time they open every Thursday. But then I left the house earlier, like 9 a.m., and then no shop was open. That was why the whole road was just empty. So, here is me trying to like convince the aboki that I want the green ones if he can just select them for me, but then he refused. He said no, that he wants to sell them the way it is. I had to go to another lady to see if she has, but she herself doesn't even have it. But I have no choice because she have the choice of tomato that I like. I had to buy from her. Like, this one is not what I want. Look at what I want. That's where she's standing. You get, that's the real one. This one, I love it. So I bought this rubber, and that was it. I've already like bought the pepper and other stuff before this. Hello. Yeah, I'm back from the market. Yeah, I'm going to show you all what I bought. Yeah, I'm going to take you all through the process. Though it's going to be a very short video, but yeah, it's going to be detailed. I have an order, like I said earlier, and it's for fada rice and ayamashe sauce. So that's what I'll be making this morning. And while I was even in the market, I had other people ordering for the same thing. So it's going to be a more bigger quantity than I expected. Good thing I bought enough. But something happened that is really interesting. Like how I managed to spend below 4,000 naira in the market. Like seriously, though I have some of the stuff available at home already, and let's say I have the main thing, like I have ofada rice, I have some chicken that I'm going to be using for those that want chicken. But for the ayamashe sauce, I only have palm oil. I bought the locust beans, I bought assorted meat, I bought eggs. No, I didn't buy egg. I remembered I had some egg in the fridge. So anyway, let me show you all what I bought. And I bought Fanta. I was just craving sugar. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I guess. Yeah, I was craving sugar and I just had to like, and it was really refreshing. It was cold. I enjoyed it. Yeah, maybe it's that time. So guys, here's the bag I came back with, like this bag like this. And how much did I come home with? Let me see. Okay, I came back with 270 naira. It was supposed to be 370 naira. So I paid Okada 100 naira. So that's why I'm left with 270. So let's start with this one. Here we have shobo and pepper. Like I was actually looking for green like this, but today is not market day, so it's very difficult to find someone that will have just the green one. I sure went for the one I saw. So for this one, I bought this one 300 naira. This is 300 naira. Then I bought this Scotch bonnet fresh pepper. I bought this one for 200 naira. So everything here is 500 naira. So I hope people are calculating, because I'm still going to see how I spent below 4,000. This is like a record breaker. So this is 500 naira. 500 naira, yeah. So I'm going to open our next. Okay, I think this one is like the biggest stuff that occupied the whole space. So I want to make some sauce, and I want to make my jollof rice mix, like the sauce I use for jollof. If you know the way I do my thing, like this jollof thing I want to do now, I will just make my jollof, fry everything, like fry it fully, and just put it in the fridge. So when I want to make jollof, the only thing I need is to add my chicken broth to the mix and just make. I can just take the portion that I need. So that way, even to make jollof, you can make jollof under 20 minutes and everything will be ready. So I bought this tomato. There's one rubber they use in measuring it. I'll try and put, maybe you see the video in the market scene. So I bought this one for 1,200 naira. The lady was saying 1,500. Of course, I will bargain now. The other thing I bought is this is the assorted meats. Yeah, there were a lot of people there rooting for this assorted. I managed to get this one, so I bought the assorted meats. This is my favorite part, like the shaki part to get. I bought all of this. This is not much though, but for the ofada, how I use it, I'll just dice it in little bits. I will dice it. I will put it like add it to the ofada sauce. Add the boiled egg. So the main protein for the ofada is actually the chicken or turkey, whatever they decide to get. But for this one, it's just like something that comes with the sauce you get. So I bought this meat for 1,500 naira. See, let me show you well. So this 1,500 naira. Is it okay? People should tell me. Is it okay? I'm in Oshogbo, by the way. Over there, Oshogbo. So, yeah. So 1,500 plus 1,700. That's already 3,200 naira. 3,200 naira. So I now bought locust beans. These ones are just 15 naira each. So that's 200 naira. 100 naira. Sorry. So 100 naira. I bought my Fanta, of course, I've drank it. 180 naira. So 3,300 plus 100, that's 4,000. That's 3,480 naira. 3,480 naira. And I was having just 4,000 naira when I left the house. So how did I end up with 270? Did I even lost money? I think I even cheat myself now, sef. So that's it. That's all I bought. You can see the bag is quite empty. That's all I bought. Let's go to my kitchen and get this done with. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to show you how I bleach my oil for ofada sauce. You get. So this is a pot I placed on the fire and it's already dry, like well dried. And you, what you need is a pot that has a very firm cover, like the cover can fit in perfectly, you get. So it doesn't like bring out any vapor of the oil. So now the pot is very hot. I have to add my oil. You add the quantity of oil you want to be using. You can actually bleach this in batch, or just bleach much and keep. But so like I said, you want a pot that has a very firm cover. Like this cover fits in this pot very well, so I'm just going to cover it. So you're going to cover it and you're going to put your cooker on a medium and leave it. Like you don't have to do anything again. You just give yourself like 8 to 10 minutes. Allow it to do its thing. And guess what, when it's ready, like okay, you are satisfied, don't open it. Oh, don't open it, please don't open it. Just leave it there for like another 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool. Let it cool completely before you open it and see the beauty of the oil that you are bleaching. So you don't open it. This is how it will be for another 8 to 10 minutes, and then you leave it to settle for another 8 to 10 minutes. In total, let's say 15 to 20 minutes. So we are good to go now. I'm going to start the cooking proper now. I've diced the meat to the desired size that I wanted, so I'm just putting them in the pots. Yeah, I've washed them very well. Like I cleaned them so good. You have to clean your assorted meat, those many dirt from the cow stomach that is there. So I added my seasoning powder, I added salt, yeah, I added this ginger and garlic and powder from Mama Wonder. So I'm just going to start blending my pepper mix for the further sauce, yeah, with my new food processor. Yeah, I love this thing. Permit me to show you like what this blender does for me, why I love it, like why it's my go-to anytime, any day. I have like 3 different blender and a meat mixer, but I recently got this one and I totally love it. Okay, I want to make a further sauce, right? Look at how beautiful, like how this thing just make this pepper mix come out. It's so beautiful. You get, like, you don't, if you need it too smooth you can, but this texture is exactly what you need for further. So I wanted to use my other blender to blend the one I want to make jollof rice with, the tomato for jollof rice. So I was just thinking, how will I be washing all these things later on? If you know me already, I hate cleaning, right? So I went ahead and add some tomato to the blender. You can see, guys, this is so smooth. And the good part of it is that you don't need to add water. Like, it will give you only the tomato water. You get you don't need to start adding water that later you start boiling it out or waiting for it to dry up. So guys, our bleached palm oil came out looking all gorgeous. Like you can see now. As in, there was no single smoke anywhere. Everywhere was still calm. Like, you can come in and you won't know I even bleached oil. So that's the secret. Don't come and give yourself cough or headache because of palm oil again. Just try it this way and you thank me for sure. So I just went ahead and fried I took out from the oil anyway. I just removed because it was way too much. I usually just bleach them and keep them. For the day I don't have enough time to be doing all of that. So I went ahead and added the onions and locust beans inside the oil pot. So when that was bleached enough, I turned it inside my steamed pepper mix, you get. So I'm just adding my assorted meat. Actually, I make food according to client's specification. The client that actually ordered in the first place specified he doesn't want his assorted meat fried. That was why I didn't fry it in the beginning with the oil and the onions. So scratch that, okay? So I went ahead and added my seasoning cube. I added salt and added this lasso fish seasoning. Man, this fish seasoning, I don't think there's any day I don't have it in my kitchen. If you make yam porridge with this fish seasoning, or you make pepper soup, fish pepper soup, you go thief. Seriously. So this is how beautiful our mixed stew is looking. So guys, here's our finished look. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching.